all doing good? Welcome back to English class. In today's session, we'll be doing lesson 4, nouns, possessives. Okay? English 2 grammar. Lesson 4, nouns, possessive. Now, what is nouns, possessive? You all know what is noun, right? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. Okay? That is called as nouns. Now, nouns, possessive is nothing but whatever the noun is owning, okay, whatever the noun possesses, it is called noun possessive. Example, see this book. Yes, this book is mine, correct? It is my book. So I am a noun, right? I am a teacher, I am a noun. So this book belongs to me. If I write this book belongs to me, then this is my possessive, correct? This book is in my possession. Something is in your possession, that is your possessive. That means not yours, it means in the noun's possession. Okay? Anything which is in the possession of a noun is called as noun possessive. Now, example, this book is mine. I am a noun, right? So, this book is in a noun's possessive. So, now how will I say this? It's mine. To say this, I have to say this book belongs to me. Correct? I have to say this book belongs to me. Now that is a lengthy sentence, right? Instead of saying this book belongs to me, I'll say Pavna's book, right? See, instead of writing this book belongs to Pavna. Instead of saying this book belongs to Pavna, now Pavna is a noun, right? So, what is Pavna's possession? Book is Pavna's possession. Now, to tell this, I have to write such a big sentence. Instead of that, I can simply, easily write Pavna's book. Yes, I can write like this. See, instead of writing such a lengthy sentence, I can easily write Pavna's book. So that it clearly states that this book belongs to me. It is understood that this book belongs to me. Okay. So in this chapter, you have to just mention noun and you have to show the noun's possessive. Okay. And how will you show the noun's possessive is all about in the chapter. Now see, a noun and its possession. Whatever the noun is owning. Okay. Whatever the noun owns is called as possessive. Okay, that is called as possessive. Now, what is my possessive here? It is a book. So, how will I do it? Do you see that I have changed something here? I have added this. Correct? Apostrophe S. I have added apostrophe S to indicate my possession. Okay. So, here there are 3 ways of indicating the possession. One is for singular nouns. The other one is for plural nouns. And the last one is for plural nouns that does not end with yes. Okay. So now when you are adding a possession, okay, when you are indicating a possession of a noun, you have to always make sure that you are adding a yes and an apostrophe. Okay. For singular nouns, along with the noun, okay, along with the noun, you will have to add apostrophe and a yes. Okay. And along with the plural nouns already has a yes in it, right? Plural nouns will already have a yes in it. That means girls, boys, then buses, vans, teachers. Yes, those are the plural nouns. Teacher is a singular noun. Teachers is a plural noun. Girl is a singular noun. Girls is a plural noun. Boy is a singular noun. Boys is a plural noun. So for the plural nouns, there is already a s here. So you don't want to add another s. Correct? So you put an apostrophe after the yes to indicate the possession. And for plural nouns that does not end with yes. What are the plural nouns that does not end with yes, children? Like children. Child, you won't say childs, right? For plural, you don't say child, you will say children. Correct? Now the word children. This is already a plural noun, correct? Does it have a yes? No. For such plural noun also you put apostrophe yes. Okay? Understood? So for singular noun you write the noun's name and put an apostrophe yes. And for plural noun, since there is already a yes available here, you will just put a apostrophe. And for plural nouns that does not end with yes, okay? For such kind of nouns, you just add a apostrophe and put yes, just like the singular nouns. These two are same, okay? Singular noun and plural noun that does not end with yes. Those two you write it same. You have to add apostrophe yes. Here also you are adding apostrophe yes. Only for plural noun which ends with yes. For that you will add only apostrophe. That's all, children. The whole chapter is only this much. Okay? Nouns, possessives. Okay, I'll give you a recap again. Let me tell you what is nouns, possessive. What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Right? And what is a possessive? Possessive is nothing but something that the noun is owning. Like this hand. Whose hand is this? My hand, right? So if instead of saying this hand belongs to Pavna, I can say Pavna's hand. Right? So or think that I'm a woman. Okay, I'm a girl. Okay? Just example. I'm a girl. This is a girl's hand. Instead of saying like that or instead of saying this hand belongs to a girl. Okay? What you will say? Girl's hand. Boy's hand. Right? Girl's book. Boy's book. Like that. You can just write in a two words. Instead of writing so much, you can just write like this by adding a apostrophe yes. Okay? That's all. You have to write the noun. You have to give the possessive. This is called as the possessive. You have to write the possessive part, and you have to write what is the possession of the noun. Okay, what is noun owning? Okay, what is noun owning? That you have to write. Now in this you have three varieties. That is singular noun, plural noun, and plural noun that does not end with yes. Okay, for singular noun you have to write the name of a noun and you have to put a apostrophe yes. Name of the noun means what? Name of the noun means what? Example, if I say girl, okay? Girl is a noun, yes, and you write the position. You write the position, that is apostrophe yes. And what does the girl own? Girl own, example, you can write watch. Okay, that's all. Now, when you are coming to the plural nouns, what is a plural noun here? Plural noun you can write boys. Boys is a plural noun, no? This already has a yes here. So what will you add? Just apostrophe, nothing else. Boys. Boys is what? Boys pens, red pens. Okay, boys pens. Now here, children. Children is what? Children's toys. Okay, so this is how you have to write nouns, possessives. Okay, children, understood? Now take your textbook. Here you can see your textbook. So children, nouns, possessive, page number 62. Okay, page number 62, nouns, possessive. Here, read the following sentences. This is the book of Sahil. So what is the noun here? Sahil is a noun. And what is Sahil's possession? It's a book, right? So how do you write that? This is Sahil's book. Instead of writing book of Sahil, you can just write Sahil's book by putting just a apostrophe yes, because this is a singular noun. Now here, the house of my uncle is very big. Okay, so what is the noun here? Uncle is a noun. What is uncle's possession here? It is the house, right? Uncle's possession is house. So what do you write here? My uncle's house is very big. Instead of writing the house of my uncle, you can just write my uncle's house. Now here, is that the bag of your brother? What is a noun here? Brother. And what is brother's possession here? Bag. Okay. So for that, how do you write? Is that your brother's bag? See children, for here everywhere it is apostrophe s and apostrophe s. That indicates that these three are singular nouns. Now Sahil is a singular noun, uncle is a singular noun, and brother is a singular noun. Okay. Same way, see here, singular nouns. Okay, the rules of singular nouns. The book of the girl. How do you write the book of the girl? The girl's book. Girl and apostrophe s and book. The year of the donkey. So what is the noun here? Donkey is a noun. And what is donkey's possession? Year. So you write the donkey's year. Okay, donkey with the apostrophe s. The hand of the boy. The boy's hand. Boy with the apostrophe s. The house of Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma with apostrophe s. These apostrophe s you add to the noun only for singular nouns. Now coming to plural nouns. Okay, coming to plural nouns. For plural nouns we have to add only apostrophe because there is already a s in the noun. The books of the boys. So what is a noun here? Boys. The boys already has a yes, no? So you don't have to add another apostrophe s. So instead of adding another apostrophe s, you just add a apostrophe. The boys' books. Okay? Here, the feet of the horses. What is the noun here? Horses. And what is the possession of the horse? Feet. So you have to write the horse's feet. So there is already a yes here. You have to add only apostrophe. The tents of the soldiers. The soldiers' tents. Just add apostrophe to the soldier. So for all plural nouns like boys, horses, soldiers, you just have to add only apostrophe for plural nouns. Okay. Now coming for plural nouns that does not end with yes. Right? There are some plural nouns which does not end with yes. Like child will become children, man will become men, woman will become woman, woman will become women. Correct? Yes. So these are the plural nouns. Children, men, women are the plural nouns. Correct? But does it have yes in it? No, it does not have a yes in it. So how do you write that? You write the toys of the children as the children's toys. Okay, you have to add apostrophe s. Why do you add apostrophe s? Because there is no yes in the plural noun. When there is no yes, you have to add apostrophe yes. Now the hats of the men. How do you write this? The men's hats. Okay. Now here, the clothes of the woman. How do you write this? The woman's clothes. Okay. So always remember children, for singular noun add apostrophe yes. For plural noun add only apostrophe. And for the plural noun which does not end with yes, for that also you have to add apostrophe yes. Okay. Now let's go back to, and here there are some nouns where you don't add anything like that. Okay. Some nouns you can't write as possessive. That is for non-living things. Okay. For non-living things, you can't write a possessive with the apostrophes. These apostrophes you have to put only for the living things. Right? Only for the living things, not for the non-living things. Like example, the table's legs. Okay? And the clock's hands. You should not write like this. It is wrong. It is wrong, children. You can't write like this. You have to say the legs of the table, the hands of the clock. Okay, for non-living things, always remember that you are not supposed to put apostrophe. No apostrophe for non-living things. Okay, now let's start with this. Using an apostrophe, rewrite the following in the possessive forms. The tail of the cat, you have to write this as the cat's tail with a apostrophe S. The coat of Mr. Dikshit. You have to write Mr. Dikshit's coat with a apostrophe S. The nests of the birds. Birds, it's a plural noun, correct? So you have to just add apostrophe to the bird. The bird's nest. The house of Rajan. Rajan's house. The book of Rashmi. Rashmi's book. The hat of the man. Man, it is man, so it is a singular noun. The man's hat. The dog of Mary. Mary's dog. The cars of the men. Men is what here? Plural noun. So you have to put apostrophe S. The men's cars. The wing of the bird. The bird's wing. The tail of the dog. The dog's tail. Okay, complete this, children, in page number 63. Okay, complete this. Now, we'll turn to page number 64. Okay, coming to page number 64. Rewrite the sentences adding apostrophe or apostrophe S to the nouns in the brackets required. The girl voice is sweet. So, girl is a singular noun. So, how do you write? The girl's voice is sweet. Okay, after it, girls. Apostrophe, yes. Next, Sunidhi is my sister friend. Sister will become sisters with apostrophe S. Sunidhi is my sister's friend. Full stop. Next, the children clothes are new. Children is what? Plural noun without yes. So you have to put apostrophe S to it. The children's clothes are new. Full stop. Next, my father friend is coming for dinner. Father is a singular noun. So you have to add apostrophe S. My father's friend is coming for dinner. Full stop. The ladies' saris were beautiful. Ladies is a plural noun. Correct now? So plural noun with yes. So you should add only apostrophe here. So the ladies' saris were beautiful. Donkey's ears are very big. Okay, donkeys. What is donkeys here? It's also a plural noun with yes. So you just have to add apostrophe. Donkey's ears are very big. My brother cat is in the garden. Brother is a singular noun. So you have to add apostrophe S. My brother's cat is in the garden. Cow milk is good for health. Cow. Cow is a singular noun. So you have to add apostrophe yes. Cow's milk is good for health. Next, I have seen Mohan new bicycle. Mohan is a singular noun. So add apostrophe yes. I have seen Mohan's new bicycle. Full stop. Next, have you seen Jack new bicycle? Jack is again a singular noun. So you have to put apostrophe yes. Have you seen Jack's new bicycle? Question mark. Next, the dog's collar is brown. Children, here there is dogs. Yes is there, no? So the question is wrong. Okay, you color this yes here. Okay, scratch this yes. This yes is not there. So the question is the dog collar is brown. Okay, since there is, so this should be singular. Okay, if it was dogs, this should have been R. Correct? So this is singular. So make it dog. Now, since it is singular, it will become apostrophe S. The dog's collar is brown. Full stop. Next, I really like my grandmother cookies. Grandmother is a singular noun. So for her you put apostrophe yes. I really like my grandmother's cookies. Full stop. The bird egg is blue. So bird is a singular noun. The bird's egg is blue. You have to add apostrophe yes. Okay children. So this completes the B main of page number 64. Okay. Okay children. So this completes your textbook exercises of the chapter the nouns possessives. Okay, so finally at last I'll repeat it once again. Nouns possessive, there are three types, three varieties. That is for singular nouns, plural nouns, and plural nouns with yes. For singular nouns you have to add apostrophe yes. For plural nouns you just have to add apostrophe, and for plural nouns that does not have yes, you have to add apostrophe yes. Okay, these rules are only for what? For living things. Okay, these rules are only for living things. For non-living things, you don't write any possessive. Like example, books, pages. You don't say books, pages. Pages of the book. Okay, hands of the clock, legs of the table, legs of the chair. Okay, you have to say like this. You can't say tables, legs, chairs, legs, pages, books, hands, clocks. No, clocks, hands. No, you can't say like this. For non-living things, it is not applicable. Okay, this is applicable only for living things. Okay, children, I hope you understood. Any doubts, please do ask me in the interactive session. Okay, thank you.